Welcome to this video overview of our training package. We'll give you a quick but comprehensive look at the topics covered using a selection of slides from the PowerPoint deck. Each instant download package includes a detailed trainer guide, comprehensive student workbook, engaging PowerPoint slides, exercise sheets, and a fun Jeopardy-style review game to wrap up your training on a high note. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Lead, Motivate, Inspire Training Program Overview. This video offers a concise summary of the key concepts and highlights select slides from the comprehensive slide deck included in this instant download package. Designed for trainers, it equips you to teach essential leadership skills to inspire teams, drive motivation, and lead with confidence. Deliver impactful, results-oriented training with ease and confidence. Our training objectives include understanding leadership roles, motivational models, and identifying leadership styles. Let's dive in. Today's agenda covers 3 modules: what leaders do know and are like. Each module will enhance your leadership capabilities. Module 1 focuses on what leaders do. Key points include defining your role, distinguishing management from leadership, and motivating people. Understanding your job is crucial. Reflect on your responsibilities and how they align with leadership principles. In this activity, we'll explore the traits of the perfect employee. Consider what qualities you value most in your team. Management versus leadership, a critical distinction. We'll examine how these roles differ and complement each other. The essential roles of a leader include defining tasks, achieving goals, and maintaining effective relationships. Let's explore each. The John Adair leadership model highlights task, individual, and group needs. Balancing these is key to effective leadership. What motivates us? This exercise will help identify personal and team motivators, enhancing engagement and productivity. The 4-motive model outlines key motivators: connection, challenge, security, and stimulation. Understanding these drives success. Motivation tips include setting achievable goals, providing feedback, and recognizing achievements. Let's discuss these strategies. Module 2 explores what leaders know. Key points include understanding employee needs and defining leadership perspectives. Employees seek direction, appreciation, respect, and tools. Addressing these needs fosters a productive work environment. The appreciation exercise emphasizes the importance of recognizing team contributions. Let's practice expressing gratitude. Everyday engagers include eye contact, addressing by name, and showing empathy. These actions build strong team connections. Leaders by position versus disposition. The best leaders combine both. We'll explore how to enhance your leadership presence. Perspective is key. How you view challenges and opportunities shapes your leadership approach. Let's broaden our perspectives. The telescope effect encourages looking at the bigger picture. This perspective helps in strategic decision-making. The status cards game highlights the impact of perceived status on team dynamics. Let's explore this through an interactive exercise. Identifying problems requires understanding if more direction, appreciation, respect, or tools are needed. Let's analyze scenarios. Module 3 focuses on what leaders are like. Key points include discovering your leadership style and balancing team functions. The Leadership Style Questionnaire helps identify your natural leadership tendencies. Let's explore your unique style. Where is your focus? This exercise helps prioritize tasks, team, and individual needs. Balance is crucial for effective leadership. Leaders are always being watched. Your actions set the tone for your team. Be mindful of your influence and lead by example. Effective leaders give credit, listen, and lead by example. These actions foster a positive and productive work environment. Communication is key. Maximize the frequency and quality of contact with your team to build trust and transparency. Leadership critical success factors include knowledge, competencies, experience, and personal attributes. Let's explore each. Understanding CSS involves recognizing enablers and derailers. This knowledge helps in developing effective leadership strategies. And to wrap up your training on a high note, Every package includes a fun, Jeopardy-style PowerPoint review game. This competitive activity lets participants answer questions, earn points, and reinforce key concepts in an engaging and memorable way. It's the perfect way to review the content while keeping the energy high.